Hey everybody, welcome. This is Tom Darling. We're in my shop right now. And of course what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making another project. We're going to be making a bed frame for my son Nathan.
Hi, I'm Nathan.
He's got this trundle bed that needs to be replaced really bad. So what are we going to do? We're going to get some wood and we're going to build a $50 frame. And we're going to make it look really cool. So stay tuned. Now we're going to take the legs and we're going to run them through my drum sander. And what the drum sander is going to do is it's going to take this bad edge off the front on each side and clean it up a little bit. We're going to put pocket holes into the frame so we can build a big frame to hold the mattress. Now that we have all of our boards cut and we got pocket holes in all of them, and I've cut the 4x4 post down to actually 15 inches, 4 sections, and I sanded off the red wood, the red finish off of it to get it down to bare wood so it would match with the rest of the wood, is now we're going to attach the 4 square boards to the legs so that we can start to build this frame. Now that we've got the frame together and all these legs are fully attached, as you can see, I've laid it on the table here to get it out of the way. You can see the way that butts into the legs with the pocket holes and the screws. It makes it very sturdy. What we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to put slats, horizontal slats across 2x3s across to build a base to hold the particle board that's going to lay down for the mattress to sit on top of. So once we get those slats in, then we'll be able to lay the particle board in, and then what we'll have is a bed frame. And then all we'll need to do is stain it and finish it so that we can put a mattress in. So we're going to do that right now. Well, that's how we did it. We did it just in a few hours with a few pieces of wood, and you can do the same thing. Beautiful bed, and my son is happy. As you can see here, the frame is great. So now all there's left to do is to enjoy it. So until next time, go make something.